Hello everybody, welcome to our channel 1-2 Step. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can change your TikTok profile picture. If you want to learn more on that, please watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel for more videos or for more how-to video tutorials like this one. So with that being said, let's get into the video. So what you'll do is open the TikTok app and then go to your profile. And here you'll click on the edit profile button and then click on the change photo option at the top, and then you can either select a photo from gallery or take a new photo. So I'm going to take a photo. So I'm just going to take a photo and then click on the accept button, and you have to crop the photo to fit into the circle and then click on save. And now you've updated your profile picture. Another method is to just click on the profile picture and then click on the edit button over here and select a new photo from your gallery. So you click on confirm and then click on crop the photo and then click on save. And with that, your profile picture is being changed. So that's it guys. I hope you learned how to change your TikTok profile picture. It's very easy. Leave a like if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel 1-2 Step and have a good day. Bye.